Welcome to JG Basic English.
Hello, welcome to the store. Can I help you?
Hi. Yes, please. I want to buy some clothes.
Sure. What do you need?
I need a t-shirt, some pants, and sneakers.
They walked to the t-shirt section.
What size do you wear?
Medium.
And what color do you like?
I like blue and white.
Here are some t-shirts in medium, blue, and white.
Thank you. I like them.
Then they go to the pants section.
What size do you wear for pants?
Size 30.
Do you like slim fit or regular fit?
Slim fit, please.
Here are black and gray pants in size 30.
Great. I will try them on.
Next, they go to the shoe section.
What size are your shoes?
Size 7.
Do you want sporty or casual sneakers?
Casual sneakers.
We have white, black, and gray sneakers.
Nice. Can I try them on?
Yes, the fitting room is over there, near the back wall.
Anna goes to the fitting room and tries the clothes and shoes. After a few minutes, she comes out.
The blue t-shirt is a little tight. Do you have a large?
Yes, here is a large.
Thank you. This is better. The pants are too long. Do you have size 29?
Yes, here you are.
Perfect. I like these more. The white sneakers are nice, but I like the black ones better.
No problem. Try the black ones.
They are very comfortable. I will take them.
Great choice.
How much is everything?
The t-shirt is $20, the pants are $35, and the sneakers are $50. Today we have a promotion. You get one free t-shirt.
That's great. I will take the white t-shirt too.
Perfect. The total is $105.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, debit or credit.
Credit, please.
Anna pays and takes the bag.
Thank you for shopping with us today. Have a great day.
Thank you. Bye.
Thanks for watching.